to Bistro 1907 downtown. The test kitchen moves around a lot, doesn't it?
It does. We go from my house to here, remote locations. We have a lot of fun with it.
And today we're having breakfast.
We are. We're going to have some brunch.
Yeah, and we have a Sunday brunch here at Bistro 1907, and we'll talk more about that when we get done with our recipe.
Yeah, but
what are we making today?
We're making what's called a Croque Madame.
A Croque Madame. That's
which is
French for.
It's a fancy grilled cheese sandwich.
I love that.
So we're going to take some brioche bread.
Okay.
And we're going to take some unsalted butter, and we're going to brush that down because this is a very, you know, the word I like to use, luxurious dish.
Yeah, no, it is.
It's a very luxurious dish.
It's a sandwich we can eat with your utensils.
It's knife and fork. So we're going to take some Gruyere cheese, very nutty. It's
good.
like Swiss cheese, fondue cheese,
but better,
but way better, way better. So we're going to take 4 slices of that. We're going to take some Molnar Farm country ham.
Okay.
Low in sodium, beautiful. You can go out there, Steve and Melanie Montgomery, and get that ham, and it's gorgeous.
What they love to do here, they love to get the local products in.
We're just going to take this and we're going to put it in the bottom of our pan. And we're going to let this get happy. We're going to get it nice and grilled and toasty and gooey. And then we're going to come back and we're going to top it with this wonderful bechamel sauce.
All right, let's talk about this sauce. I've never heard of bechamel before.
Bechamel, it's one of the 5 mother sauces. Did you know there was 5?
I did not know that 5 mother sauces. Name some sauces.
Well, we have this, bechamel.
Yeah.
We have hollandaise. Do you like hollandaise?
I do.
We have Espanol or brown sauce.
Okay.
Do you like hollandaise?
I do. You said that one.
Oh, I did say that?
Tomato sauce.
Tomato sauce.
And then what's the 5th?
Velouté.
Velouté.
Velouté is a thickened stock.
Tell me about this one.
This is thickened milk. You take flour and butter and you get it happy in the pan until it smells a little nutty. That's a light brown roux. And then you add the milk. We add a little bit of onion, a little bit of clove, white pepper, and salt. And it comes together and makes this. And then you can turn this bechamel into a mornay. This could be a base for all of your things that you love to do it on.
Really?
Con queso sauce, it could be
that helps that too?
That could help that too.
So when we're done with the sandwich, we're going to pour that on top.
With the sunny side egg.
Oh my gosh, this is so good. And then we have the farm fresh eggs.
From Lamppost Farms, of course.
Okay, let's do our break.
Okay.
And then we come back, we're going to make a Bloody Mary to end all Bloody Marys.
It's going to be a Bloody Mary bash.
It's a drink that makes you thirsty. You're not going to find that anywhere else, right?
You're not. You're not.
We'll be right back. Our sandwich is done.
It is.
You put a little added taste on the top.
We did. It's got nice caramelization. You got that butter on top of that brioche. Then we put a beautiful sunny side egg from Lamppost Farms. And now's the magic time.
Let's do it.
We're going to take this amazing bechamel, one of 5.
Mother sauces.
Very nice.
That's right.
See, you predicted I was going to drop that all over everything.
I asked if
Are you a sauce guy?
I love sauce.
Okay, so we're going to add a little bit more sauce. Wow, look at that.
That looks good.
It really does. We're going to take some chives. Put it over the top, and this is ready, Mike. You can take a bite of that.
All right, I'll do that. How about we do that?
And we serve that with frites, because you got to have frites. It's classic French dish.
That's right.
So we're serving it with frites.
All right, you go to town on our Bloody Marys, and I'll cut you off.
So you like Bloody Marys?
I'm not a fan of the tomato juice, but you're going to make it, so I like it.
So you like horseradish?
I do like spicy
So we're going to
stuff.
put some horseradish in yours.
Okay.
And you like vodka?
I do.
So we're going to add some vodka, your flavor that you like.
Whatever.
Add some
Whatever
vodka to mine. Got this new one out. It's called Sucker Punch. I think that's appropriate for this day.
Yes,
so we're gonna put some Sucker Punch in there. Some in mine.
Oh, sandwich is good.
And you said you like it kicked up even a little bit further with maybe a little Cholula. And that's some hot sauce.
This is kind of part of the Bloody Mary bar you guys serve at the brunch, right?
I know. Every Sunday. It's open at 11 o'clock. We're gonna stir these up, make my wife proud so I don't hit the sides.
Smart. She knows what she's doing.
Now here comes the fun part. What do you like for a garnish?
This is amazing, these garnishes. I had no idea.
Right, I think, Mike, you look like you would like a cheeseburger slider as a garnish.
I totally would.
How about a shrimp cocktail?
Okay.
Shrimp cocktail, cheeseburger slider. I'm gonna go bacon and cheese. Okay, I'm gonna have like more of a traditional bacon and cheese. And
That's
here,
a real
man,
breakfast
I
one.
think this is a great Bloody Mary bar.
How is this gonna get from there into...
Well, we might have to have a straw. I should have got the straws.
Not bad.
Did I make you a lover?
Yeah, it's like a shrimp cocktail in a cup. Almost.
It's like breakfast and booze at the same time.
That's awesome. Tell people about the Sunday brunch. It starts at 7, right?
7 o'clock.
Bloody Mary bar starts at
11.
Right.
We're in Ohio.
And it goes until
2 o'clock every Sunday.
If you reservations, not required, but certainly encouraged.
Especially for larger groups.
Okay, get to their website, Bistro 1907. Try this sandwich.
Oh yeah, the sandwich was great.
And try some Bloody Marys, right?
I think so.
You're gonna love it.
So Croque Madame, is this your first Croque Madame?
It is.
Okay.
It will not be my last, Mark Canzonetta.
I think not, Michael.
All right. Have a good weekend, everybody.